Hello, this is yesterday's price action for the Euro USD 3-minute chart. We had a spike and channel overshoot reversal. Let's go up to the 15-minute chart and see how this formed. So we were in this range here and we sort of spiked out before the open. This is on the 15-minute. And we've created this trading range sideways. We've overshot here. We're creating this rangy price action back to the EMA. So we get that tick back that we like to take the trade on. So you can take that trade on the 15-minute. But we then pull back, so you also get that breakout pullback on this smaller range, and then we head up and we overshoot and we reverse. So let's go in and look at the trades for the night. So last night, yeah, we're in this orange range here. We also have this bullish range forming. We've also had a double bottom down here after this smaller downtrend has played out. So we've had an overshoot. We've also had a break. We've come back down and we've created that double bottom. And then we've strongly moved up. Now, this move up, although there's a lot of overlap of the bars, and it does look like still very rangy price action, we still are getting about 50% pullbacks, so it's still strong. So the pullback is at 50% there from that swing low. And so I would be taking those trades, the tick backs here, and trading and trying to get in low and thinking we're going to head up for 3 pushes along this tight blue channel. I did take this trade last night. I took the tick back. I only took it for 1 bar. I'm able to do that because I have very tight spread, because I trade with Pepperstone, who I am partnered with, but they are a great broker. And we then hit the top. So we've done our 3 pushes, 1, 2. We've actually had a break and we've had 2 legs up. So usually if you get a break out of a channel and you get those 2 legs, there is probably going to be some sort of profit taking, some sort of little bit of a reversal back to the EMA usually, if you haven't got a strong trend. Anyway, we head back, we get this very bearish bar which overshoots. Now, overshoots create trading ranges, of course. So at this stage, you don't know about this green channel, so I'll just delete that. You don't really know it's there. You know the highs are here and you're looking for the lows, but you get this overshoot and then you come back up and you create this high here. So now you're really trading this smaller range at the start. And this is very hard to trade here. It's going to trick you. You're going to think maybe we're failing out of this trading range because it's the first real breakout of this trading range. And a lot of times the first breakout will fail, but in this case it doesn't, it holds. So be very wary of going short unless you really break into this trading range really strongly and you've got a very strong bearish bar. Otherwise, if the support is holding for 1, 2, 3 pushes, you really are looking to go long, but you can only really look to go long in the size of the highs. So currently the highs are here. So you're only looking for a scalp in this price action. But we actually, if I put that back on there, if I can put that channel back on there, we actually break out of there and we head back up. So now you know the highs are here. You can put this bigger green channel, but of course at this time you're putting the channel flat. You don't know where we're heading up really right now until you get this higher low, and then when you fit the channel on, you'll see. So you got this overshoot here. You can take that trade or a scalp, but this trade here is the better trade. I actually took this trade here all the way to the top there, just waiting for it to make that higher low. So you can see the higher low. That's why channels are so good. They give you a lot of information. So you can see now we've created a higher low. That's interesting. We're hitting on the midline. We're holding. So once it broke above there, I was pretty convinced we're going to head up and do a triple test on our channel. We did more than that. I exited early, but I'm okay with that. I always try to exit at the highs. And then we shot out here and did an overshoot. So now we're expecting some sort of reversal after 5 or 6 bars. We've got our 5 bars. We start to reverse, and that's a sign that this is going to fail and we're going to head down. This is a bigger channel, so you're going to get a bigger move. So you can't really take the first attempt down, but this second attempt down is a great trade. And by that time, you should have your channel line on here, and you should be looking to go short for another 3rd push on this channel. So you can take this second entry short here. It's a great setup. And then we get another failed wedge here or channel. We get the breakout on that 3rd push on this micro channel. It fails, so going short here is a great trade, and that would be the end of the night. It was a tough night. Here it was very hard. It was very tight range for a long time last night. So you're really just sitting there waiting. You can get chopped up in here, so you really want to put your stop loss below the swing low here. You want to trade smaller and just scalp if you want to trade this price action, or you can wait for that third push and just sit there patiently and wait till you get some bullish and just take a scalp, or wait for the pullback if you get it and take that trade, or wait for the failure of when it breaks out of the high of this channel here and take a scalp that way. But yeah, this was quite tough in here for a little while. Hard to read. There was a lot of these bars were very bearish and then they'd go bullish, so it's quite tricky last night. Anyway, I hope you had a good night. That's it. Bye.
Daily Intraday Review is proudly brought to you by our Visual Trade Journal. It's software for price action traders. It's a visual trade journal, meaning you can drag and drop right on your chart, rate your outcomes, rate your predictions, all on the chart. It's different than anything that's out there. Come and check us out at intradayreview.com.